Best dehumidifier for grow tent. 6 Best dehumidifier for grow tent. Number 1. Keystone 35 pint dehumidifier. It has electronic controls with LED display to show you the humidity level of the work in progress. Number 2. Sevon Mini Dehumidifier. It works best in small places like the grow tent by dehumidifying 250 milliliters of air every day. Number 3. Frigidaire 70 pint dehumidifier. The electronic controls can operate it while the digital humidity readout will let you know the humidity level at any time. Number 4. ProBreeze Electric Mini Dehumidifier. The water tank capacity of it is 52 ounces and is capable of removing 18 ounces of water every day. Number 5. Hanati 1000 ml Small Dehumidifier. Its right HEPA filter captures more microparticles than a standard HEPA filter. Number 6. HomeLabs 4500 square feet dehumidifier. Its water tank capacity is 1.8 gallons, which is very rare in the market.